A car that combines luxury, spaciousness, and the latest technology features in a single vehicle. How much would you expect it to sell for? A Chinese car maker has defied the notion that luxury cars must be expensive to ensure better quality. Let's find out if the vehicle made by this Chinese automaker, Chery Auto, lives up to the expectations of a full-size luxury SUV. The Chery Tiggo 8 Pro is known for its elegant design, spacious interior, and advanced technology. It's a vehicle that combines luxury with practicality, making it a strong contender in its segment. Today, we'll cover all the specifics, from design to performance, and everything in between. Now let's talk about the specific details you can expect in the Chery Tiggo 8 and Chery Tiggo 8 Pro models. Both offer a refined look and feel, but the Tiggo 8 Pro takes it up a notch with more premium features and finishes. Price-wise, the Chery Tiggo 8 starts at around $41,990, while the Tiggo 8 Pro begins at approximately $43,990 and goes up to $47,990 for the fully loaded model. This makes it a competitive option against rivals like the Hyundai Santa Fe, Ford Territory, GWM Haval, and Kia Sorento. Starting with the exterior design, the Chery Tiggo 8 Pro boasts a bold and sophisticated look. The front fascia is dominated by a large grille and sleek LED headlights that give it a modern, aggressive stance. The grille itself has a unique diamond pattern that reflects light beautifully and gives the vehicle a premium appearance. The LED headlights are not just stylish but functional as well, providing excellent illumination and ensuring visibility in all driving conditions. The side view of the Tiggo 8 Pro is just as impressive, with clean lines and a sculpted body that enhance its aerodynamic profile. The 18-inch alloy wheels add to its dynamic look and provide a smooth ride. The side mirrors are body-colored and come with integrated turn signals, adding to the vehicle's sleek appearance. The dimensions of the Tiggo 8 Pro are noteworthy. It measures 4,700 millimeters in length, 1,860 millimeters in width, and 1,746 millimeters in height. These dimensions give the SUV a balanced and robust presence on the road, making it both stylish and practical. Moving to the rear, the Chery Tiggo 8 Pro features stylish LED taillights that mirror the design of the headlights, creating a cohesive look. The taillights are connected by a chrome strip that adds a touch of elegance. The rear bumper is well designed, with integrated reflectors and a diffuser that not only looks good but also enhances the vehicle's aerodynamics. Stepping inside, the Chery Tiggo 8 Pro continues to impress with its high-quality interior. The dashboard is modern and well-organized, featuring a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster. It displays everything from speed and fuel levels to navigation directions and driver assistance features. The central touchscreen measures 10.25 inch. It commands center for the vehicle's infotainment system. It's user-friendly and responsive, offering features like navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium audio system. The touchscreen also controls the climate settings, ensuring a comfortable cabin environment for all passengers. The materials used in the cabin are top-notch, with soft-touch surfaces and premium finishes that give the interior a luxurious feel. The central console is elegantly designed with a blend of glossy and matte finishes. It houses essential controls and features like dual-zone climate control, a wireless charging pad, multiple USB ports, and an electronic parking brake. The gear selector is ergonomic and easy to use, and there are additional storage compartments for added convenience. The console also includes cup holders and a storage box with a lid, providing ample space for personal items. To enhance the sense of luxury, the vehicle features ambient lighting that can be customized to your preference, creating a relaxing and inviting atmosphere. This SUV comfortably seats 7 passengers, making it an excellent choice for families. The seats in the Chery Tiggo 8 Pro are upholstered in premium leather, providing exceptional comfort and support. Both the front and rear seats are heated, with the front seats offering ventilation as well. The driver's seat is power adjustable with memory settings, ensuring a perfect driving position every time. The rear seats can be reclined and offer plenty of legroom and headroom for passengers. A notable feature of the Tiggo 8 Pro is the panoramic sunroof, which floods the cabin with natural light and adds to the sense of space and openness. The rear seats can be folded down to expand the boot space, which offers 193 liters with all seats up and up to 1,930 liters with the second and third rows folded. This versatility makes the Tiggo 8 Pro ideal for both daily commutes and long road trips. The performance of the SUV is not as exciting as one might expect, but it will do better for daily driving. Under the hood, the Chery Tiggo 8 Pro is powered by a 1.6-liter turbocharged engine that delivers 197 horsepower and 290 Newton-meters of torque. It's paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, providing smooth and responsive performance. There's also a powerful model called 390T. It produced 251 horsepower and 390 Newton-meters of torque. The Tiggo 8 Pro accelerates from 0 to 62 miles per hour in about 9 seconds, with a top speed of 200 kilometers per hour. This combination of power and efficiency makes the Tiggo 8 Pro a joy to drive, whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating city streets. In terms of fuel efficiency, the Chery Tiggo 8 Pro offers an average of 7.4 liters per 100 kilometers, making it a cost-effective choice for both short and long-distance travel. The vehicle is equipped with a start-stop system that helps reduce fuel consumption by automatically shutting off the engine when the vehicle is stationary and restarting it when you're ready to go. The new Tiggo 8 Pro comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of safety features. This includes advanced Level 2 driver assistance systems, such as lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, traffic sign recognition, and intelligent speed control. It comes equipped with 6 airbags, ABS with EBV, electronic stability control, and a 360-degree camera system 10. The vehicle has also received a 5-star safety rating from the CNCAP, underscoring its commitment to safety. The vehicle is built with a high-strength steel structure that provides excellent protection in the event of a collision. Chery offers a competitive 5-year or 100,000-kilometer warranty for the Tiggo 8 Pro, providing peace of mind for new owners. Currently, the Chery Tiggo 8 Pro is available in several countries, including China, Australia, the Philippines, and various European markets. This wide availability makes it accessible to a global audience, allowing more people to experience its impressive features and capabilities. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Leave a comment below and let us know what you think about the Chery Tiggo 8 Pro.